Good Monday morning, Florida State. I'm student meteorologist Jake Carstens here with a 4FSU weather update designed to preview this second week of class for you all here. Before we jump into that, let's start off with those current conditions. We're sitting at 68 degrees right now as you wake up on your Monday morning here in Tallahassee, 42-degree dew point, so pretty indicative of this dry pattern that we've seen leading to that beautiful weekend we just had, although those temperatures definitely did sky up there around that 90-degree mark. Winds coming out of the north-northeast at about 5 miles per hour right now. Now that satellite and radar is pretty quiet. You see partly cloudy skies being the dominant trend here. That's going to stick around as the day goes on, although tonight you'll see a little bit of an increase in cloud cover ahead of some potential rainfall making its way in here for the remainder of the week. Again, across the southeast, pretty quiet really around Tallahassee, really the entirety of Florida, but you see some rain trying to push its way in over the Mississippi River now into the western extremities of the southeastern region. That's going to be pushing its way, of course, further to the east as the day carries on, and eventually through the rest of the week making an impact here in the Big Bend region, of course. Now, those dew points, like we were saying, are pretty low, indicative of the fact that right now things are pretty dry and pretty comfortable out there. 42 degrees in Tallahassee, 51 St. Mark's, 45 in Quincy, a little bit higher near the water as you come to expect, 54 degrees being the high spot in that regard in Carabel. Now, let's look at this futurecast radar and see what the next couple of days are going to be looking like. You see tonight, still staying pretty quiet here around Tallahassee, but a lot of rainfall situated off towards our west in areas like New Orleans, stretching over towards Houston and Galveston, Texas. Through the overnight hours on Monday, still staying pretty dry around here, but that rainfall begins to slowly move its way off towards the east, and Tuesday is really when things are going to start firing up around here. You see some thunderstorms trying to kick up around Tallahassee as Tuesday afternoon commences. As that day continues on, those thunderstorms are going to be popping up just a little bit more frequently. Scattered thunderstorms are a possibility, of course, as the day progresses, and that's going to be the trend as we carry on through the remainder of the week, Wednesday, Thursday, peaking out on Friday with a 60% chance of some scattered thunderstorms around here. For today, though, it's going to be staying pretty nice out there. 89 in Tallahassee, 86 in Carabel, 90 degrees here in Perry. That sun's going to be sticking around, winds coming out of the southeast at about 5 miles per hour. For tonight, though, that increasing cloud cover is going to be the story. 69 degrees here in Tallahassee, 67 in Thomasville, 70 degrees in Carabel, 71 Apalachicola. 20% chance of rain, should stay dry as the night carries on, but again, clouds are going to be on the increase, and that's why you see those low temperatures being up near that 70-degree mark, where the average is, for this time of year is about 64 degrees. Now, for the week ahead, temperatures going to be sticking around in those upper 80s, and the rain chances are going to be hanging around as well. 40% chance of rain tomorrow with a high of 87. Carrying on through the remainder of the week, and you see Friday being the peak. 60% chance of rain, 86 degrees for a high, a low of 71. So you know that cloud cover is definitely hanging around there as we carry on through the remainder of the week here. Now, we will have a broadcast back on the air tonight at 6 o'clock, so if you want some more information as well as checking out to see what's going on across the rest of the country, tune in tonight here on 4FSU.